Hello everyone, this is Shazad Ahmed. Hope you are all fine. Today we will discuss about how to convert your PDF into Word file or image file or anything you want. So first of all, you have to go to the Google and go to this website called getintopc.com, right? GTINTOPC.com. So you will land here on this website. It has a search bar. Click here and then you can write Adobe Acrobat. After searching this, it will be showing you this screen, and this is the at the top Adobe Acrobat Pro DC 2022 free download 7 months ago, and this is 2 years ago, 3 years ago. You click here on the first one, then you can download it from the drop down menu from here. You can also must watch how to install this software. It is a must video. You have to disable your antivirus, Windows 10 antivirus and firewalls, etc. to fully activate this software. After installing this, you can open this software from your desktop or from your start menu like this. Click here and it is opened. So after opening it, simply click here, open file, here, this open file. Now you select your file, whichever file you want to convert into PDF or PDF to Word or image. So I am in the download section, disability performance. Let's say we select this one. Now this is a PDF. It is opened here in this Adobe Acrobat Pro 64-bit version. Now these are the tools. You can create PDF, combine files, edit PDF, request e-signature, file and sign. These are all the tools. This software is free to use. Now click here, export PDF. The problem we are solving, exporting PDF. Now here all the options you want. Convert this PDF file into Microsoft Word, convert it into spreadsheet, convert it into Microsoft PowerPoint or image or HTML web page or more formats you want. So I want to convert it into the image. Here is the PNG, TIFF, JPG, wherever you want to convert. If you want to in Word, this is the Word document, spreadsheets, these are the sections, PowerPoint, image. So I want to convert it into the PNG file. Here it is, exporting, and I want this here you can select where you want to save. I want to save it in the downloads, and same name, save, and it is saved. Go to the downloads, and here we are in the downloads. Here is the disability performer in PNG file, and here is the disability performer in PDF document. So this is the PNG file of your PDF. So that's how you can convert your PDF files into the images. So I hope you like this video. Hope you understand the procedure. Thanks for watching. Like it and subscribe it. Thank you. Have a good day.